we're keeping the ball rolling with slabwood. Today we're taking a look at a second option for what you can make out of this kind of sawmill waste. This blank is a bit smaller than the others, about 25 by 25 centimeters. First order of business is turning a temporary tenon so we can easily shape the bottom and turn the main tenon. To do that, I'll clean out the bark on the inside, but I'll make sure not to mess up the outer rim. We're going to need that bark later. Once the blank is mounted on the temporary tenon, we can safely ramp up the speed and turn the bottom face. The plan today is a square plate featuring an offset oval bowl with a live edge right in the center. I managed to shape it pretty fast and get a finish ready surface for oil. Just like last time, I'm taking all the surfaces up to 120 grit. With the bottom wrapped up, I flip it over, mount it on the main tenon, and dive into the trickiest and most interesting part of today's project. The goal is to carve out a bowl that sits raised above the square plate. To pull that off, we need to sort out the edges first and bring out that square geometry. So I'll trim off the excess wood at the corners and clean up the square profile. Once that's dialed in, I'll start hollowing the live edge bowl. I'll keep the wall thickness right around 8mm at the rim so the bark stays locked in and I don't have to glue it back on. After the shape is locked in, I'll hand sand the rim to knock off any stray fibers or loose bark. Everything gets a good coat of boiled linseed oil. And all that's left now is to carefully part off the tenon. What we ended up with is a handsome combo piece, a square plate and an integrated bowl all in one. Wall thickness on both the plate and the bowl sits right around 8 mil, with a total height of about 5 centimeters at its highest point. Not too shabby for a piece of free sawmill trash. I've still got a third blank lift, and we'll tackle that one in the final part.